Hi everyone, welcome back to another video here at Adventures in Polishland. Today I have a bonus video here on my channel. If you are new, I typically do planner related videos such as plan with me's, sticker hauls, and other organizational content. So if that sounds like fun to you, make sure to hit subscribe below. But today I have a bonus unboxing, and that is my November Book of the Month Club subscription. Book of the Month is one of the few subscription services that I have kept around because I absolutely love it and it's a great value for the money. How it works is every month there are 4 to 5 different book selections. They are always new releases and they are beautiful hardcover books. And for a low price, you get to choose one of those books. I like that it is not a mystery box because you know exactly what book you'll be getting. And I also like that if you don't want to pick any of the books that month, you can go ahead and skip the month and you don't lose any money. Your subscription just rolls over to the next month. There is also free shipping with every single order, and there are different plans that you can choose from. So depending on how much money you want to spend up front, you can go for a 1 month, 3-month, or 12-month subscription. I currently had the 3-month subscription and it just ran out. So I'll show you the books that I got this month. And I will of course have my referral link to Book of the Month in the description of this video. If you sign up through that link, you get your first month for $9.99 and a free tote bag. And the promotion does change when it comes to that referral link. So depending on when you watch that video, that might not be true anymore, but you will definitely get a discount when you use my referral link and I will get a free book. So let's go ahead and get into this and I'll show you what I got. Full disclosure, I already opened the box. The books always come wrapped in a saran wrap and you also get a cardboard filler at the bottom of here so that the books don't get bent. I'm going to take everything out and move the box aside so we can get a closer look at the books. So on top we have a bookmark. You always get a Book of the Month Club bookmark, and usually on the other side it has a little blurb about the book you picked, but this month we just have some fun colors on there, so that's something different. But I really like these bookmarks. They're obviously great to have on hand. Now my pick for the month of November is Bonfire by Krysten Ritter, and let me open up to the author picture because I'm sure you'll recognize her. She is an actress. I know her probably best from Don't Trust the Bee in Apartment 23, which was a really fun sitcom that unfortunately didn't last too long, but she's an actress and I believe this is her debut novel. All I know about it is a mystery thriller novel and it features an attorney who has to go back to her hometown to cover a case that is happening. So I don't look too much into the plots of mystery novels because I don't want to be spoiled at all. I'm a little hesitant that our protagonist is a lawyer because for those of you who don't know, I am a lawyer, and sometimes when I watch lawyer shows or read books with lawyers, they can be just too cliche and unrealistic for me, but this one seems like it's getting a really good buzz and I think it will be really creepy as well. So that's why I went ahead and picked it for my November Book of the Month. I also went ahead and got 2 more books. You can add books to your subscription for $9.99 each, which is an amazing deal because these books would cost you at least $20 if you were to buy them at Barnes & Noble. So to get beautiful hardcover editions of these books at a really low price is awesome if you're a reader. I had 2 free book credits thanks to referrals like you, so I went ahead and I picked 2 of the books that I am most interested in from months past. This one is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I've heard amazing things about not only this book, but this author as well. This book is a contemporary novel. It might be historical fiction. I'm not sure if it takes place in current times, but I know it's about a woman who used to be really famous and she is on the brink of death. So she calls in a biographer to take down her life story. And apparently you're supposed to learn all about her 7 husbands and the wild times that she's had as an actress in Hollywood. So I'm really excited to read this. And like I said, I've heard great things not only about this book, but about this author as well. So I'm hoping if I enjoy this one, I will pick up her other books too. And last but not least, I got Final Girls by Riley Sager. This is a horror novel, and it has to do with a series of final girls. So if you've ever seen a slasher film, you know that there's always one girl standing at the end who survives. And we have a few of those girls featured in this book, and suddenly they're getting killed off. So I guess the mystery revolves around that. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to pan out, but like I said, I like to go into these types of books not knowing much at all. I have heard amazing things about this one as well, and I've really been wanting to read it. So those are the 3 books that I got from Book of the Month Club in November. I highly recommend this subscription service. Not only is it an incredible value, but the books are really high quality. And like I said, I will have my referral link in the description. I would really appreciate it if you use that link. Well, that about wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed this bonus content here at Adventures in Polishland. I hope you'll subscribe so I can see you in the next video, and let me know if you've read any of these books and what you thought of them in the comments. Also, let me know what book you're reading right now, and I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye!